Hello all, very good evening. This is Karthik from Raj Cloud Technologies. First of all, I wish you all happy Ganesh Chaturthi. Hope everyone have done with your puja and everything. Yes. So before starting the session, I just want to wish you everyone. So once again, happy Ganesh Chaturthi for everyone. And let us start the session. Before starting, I just want to start with our YouTube channel. So we have a YouTube channel called Raj Informatica Real Time Hands-on Job Based Training. This is our official YouTube handle. So you can see here we have almost 35.9k subscribers, and we have uploaded more than 459 plus videos here. Okay. So if you just get into the videos, so we have uploaded videos related to Informatica Cloud, Informatica Power Center, Informatica IDQ, AWS DevOps, Azure, AI and ML, GenAI, Snowflake, Salesforce, okay, Power BI and many others, okay, and many others. So we have uploaded a many useful videos for you here. So just visit our channel once. If you really like our content, like the videos, comment on them and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Subscribe to our channel for more videos. I have shared the channel link in the group chat, in the Zoom chat. So please use the link and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Whenever we upload, you'll get the notification as well, so that you can, without missing any video, you can watch it from our YouTube channel. Okay. Yes. Now let's get into our website. So there is a website called razinformatica.com. Earlier, our institute name was Raj Informatica, and we have started with only Informatica training, and now we are offering all these following courses. You can see here in the home page. If you just scroll down a bit, you can able to see here. So we have uploaded. Sorry, just a second, please. Yeah, please don't annoy the screen. Yeah. So these are the software trainings that we are offering right now. Generative AI, Informatica IDQ and CDQ, AWS Data Engineering, Azure Data Engineering and Databricks, Snowflake in the combination of DBT and ADF, Informatica Power Center, Informatica Cloud IaaS IDMC, Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning, Cyber Security and Ethical Hacking, Power BI, Google Cloud Professional Certification Training, SAP S4 HANA and FICO Training, Python full stack development, Python for AI and chat GPT, Salesforce and AWS and DevOps. Okay. So these are the trainings that we are offering right now. Okay. So if you just scroll up, there is a section called upcoming free live sessions. In this upcoming free live session section, we are going to provide you the upcoming free demos, like whatever the classes that we are offering for free of cost. All the sessions you can see here. So today you can see AI and machine learning program at 4 p.m. and tomorrow at 7 p.m. we have Snowflake, and day after tomorrow we have 7 p.m. we have a Power BI. So in the same way, whatever the free sessions are happening in this week, so the complete schedule will be updated here like this, and you can just click on join now. Click on join now, and you can just fill your details. You can just fill your basic details here, and you can join the program. You'll get the link. You'll get the Zoom link to your mail ID. From there, you can join the meeting. I hope everyone is aware about this process. Many people join from this page itself. Thank you so much for that. Yeah. So apart from these courses, we have also the few more information is also available in our website, like interview questions, materials, and internship programs exclusively for freshers who passed out in the year 2025 and who is going to pass out in the year 2026. For you people especially, we have internship programs also we are offering right now. So you can just contact us for any of this information. You can just contact us on this number 810-529-6858. Got it? This is 810-529-6858. So you can contact this number for any information related to courses or the internship programs. For everything, you can contact us on this number. We will be available from morning 8 a.m. to 11 p.m. Sunday to Monday. Sunday to Monday, all the days will be available. So no need to worry about that. Now let's get into the AI and ML program. Just go to the courses section here. Here you can see AI and ML training. Just click on that. Just click on that. Okay, so here is the complete information about AI and ML program. You can see here the new batch is starting from 27th of August 2025, and if you just scroll down a bit, you will be able to see the complete information about the program, like what are the technologies that we are going to teach here, and the course unique information, course curriculum weekly basis. Okay, if you want to download this, you can download here by clicking on this button. You can download the syllabus as well. Okay, and upon completion of this training, what and all you are going to do, like what and all you will be doing, all these things, like you can see here. And about your instructor, Advait Garu, having 15 plus years of experience here. So all these informations you can see here. And apart from that, like you can see our reviews as well here. You can see, our reviews also here. Okay, so these are the things that you can see here in this page. And you can see the timings as well. Evening 8 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. IST timings. And the price, everything. Okay, so there is some special offer is available today. Please mute yourself. There is some special offer is available today. Whoever is going to join the program, so whoever is enrolling today, you have some special discount is available today. As for this, like we have a festival today, right? Ganesh Chaturthi. So on the occasion of this Ganesh Chaturthi, we have some special offer is also available. Just stay connected till end of the session. You are going to know about this special prize as well. Okay. Yes. Please don't animate the screen. 1 second. Yeah. Yeah. So just give me a second, please. So whoever want to like, we have a WhatsApp group. We have a special WhatsApp group for you people. Okay. So whoever want to get into this WhatsApp group, please drop your, please drop your name. Please drop your name and WhatsApp number. Please drop your name and WhatsApp number, so that we will be adding you to the artificial intelligence and machine learning using Python real-time project WhatsApp group discussions. Okay, so in this WhatsApp group, you can discuss anything about AI and ML program, anything about AI and ML program, about the latest job opportunities, and about how the market is going on right now on AI and which tool is running right now. So everything, okay, whatever the questions you have related to the AI or the course or the upcoming courses of Raj Cloud Technologies, anything you can discuss here in this group. To get this group link, to get this WhatsApp group link, so please drop your name and WhatsApp number in the chat. The chat is open for everyone. The chat and mic both is open for everyone. So just like drop your name and WhatsApp number here, and I'll be sharing you the today's session link as well. Okay, so both the things will be giving to you. We have done with our demos already. We have done with our demos already. Today is our first session. Okay, if you want to see the demos again, so this is our YouTube channel, Raj Informatica Real Time Hands On Job Based Training. If you just scroll down here, you can see 4 days ago, like we have uploaded a session here. So yeah, you can just like watch it. I'm sharing this in the chat again. Okay, I have just shared this link with you. If someone want to like check the demo, you can just like visit this link and you can complete the demo as well. Okay, so let's take a sharp 1 minute break. Let's take a sharp 1 minute break and drop me your name and WhatsApp numbers here. Drop me your name and WhatsApp numbers here, so that we can add you to the WhatsApp group as well. Okay, yeah, the chat is open for everyone. You can just like drop your name and WhatsApp numbers here, please. Yes, Nikhil. Generally, the timings will be 8 p.m. itself. So today is a festival, right? So that is the reason why, like, we are just like going with the 4 p.m. session today. Generally, the batch timings are 8 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. 1.5 hour in a day. Okay. Yes. The chat is still open for everyone. I can see still people are sharing. Still people are sharing their contact numbers. So I'm just like adding here 1 more minute. Okay. I'm just like adding here 1 more minute. Please post your name and WhatsApp number so that like we can jump into our technical session. Okay. Yes. Yeah, thanks for sharing your name and WhatsApp numbers here. So still the chat is open only. Okay. If someone want to drop your name and WhatsApp number, yes, you can drop to get today's session link and today's session recording and our AI and ML real-time project WhatsApp group. These two things we'll be sharing you now. Okay. Within next 5 to 10 minutes, you'll get the links also and you will be added to the group also. Okay. Both the things will be done. So if you haven't dropped your name and WhatsApp number, please drop here. Okay. Yeah, done. Thank you so much. Advait Garu, over to you, please.
Okay. Thank you, Karthik. So, guys, good evening, all. So, myself, Advaith. So, maybe some people are already joined in the previous session. They might me know about, but still some more people are newly joined for today. So, I have to introduce myself first. So, yes, I am Advaith. I completed my post graduation in statistics from the Usmani University, Hyderabad, 2007, and then I worked as a data analyst for TNS India Private Limited. After that, I joined for data scientist for Genpact. So almost of 15 years of work experience with the different industries as a different levels. Okay, with the different domains. Sometimes I work for banking sector and then um, retail sector, healthcare sector. Depends upon the company usages. Okay, and from the last 6 years, I have started teaching the people. I have passion towards making the people trained and started delivering the data analytics, data science, okay, artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning, natural language processing, parallelly towards all the people who are enthusiastic who are regular to, I mean, who are interested to join this kind of profiles. So yes, that's how I started. So almost of thousands of people I think I have trained. I'm not sure the number exactly, but probably it could be 5,000 plus people I think I have trained, not counted, but yes, possibly. And yes, from the last 6 to 8 months, I think I was connected with Raj Cloud, and yes, we are delivering the number of batches here with sufficient guidance, with sufficient support from the Raj Cloud, and we are doing the best from our end. Okay. Yes. So I'm sharing my screen. Hope so. All you people are able to see my screen, right? Can anyone please respond in the chat box that you are guys are able to see the screen? You can respond in the chat box, or if you have voice, yes, you can take up the voice also. Okay, yes, all right. So I'll take up a quick demo of what we discussed in the last session, and I'll take up a case study for today. Okay, so to be frank, I'm not starting the regular classes also, but I would like to give a overview of what exactly that we are learning. What is the purpose of learning this course, Okay, and what could the technical things that how it is going to helpful for your career? Those things we are going to discuss more. Okay. Yes. So in the last session, what I've done is I just given up a brief overview on, okay, what is artificial intelligence? What is artificial intelligence? Which can things like a human, which can things like a which can acts like a human, which can listen, speak, okay, spoken or any other languages, just like how our human brain works. Similarly, we are also want to make such a artificial brain. Okay, and how this is possible? Yes, if you are making our computer trained, so the machine here is what? Computer. Making our computer trained either with the data or with the experiences. So in generally, if I am talking, if a kid are supposed to trained, so he have to go to the school. He will learn up all the knowledge from their teachers. That's how his experiences, his learning skills will be improved. So day by day, he will be growing his knowledge. So similarly, we are also making our computer trained. Artificial intelligence, what? It's not a natural. We are making an artificial talent. So how it is possible? Yes, if we have a data and experiences. So then what is data? Yes, data we are getting with many places, either in the form of comments, reviews, feedbacks. Okay, because every sector, as I told, every sector is being, okay, integrated with the internet, computer, smartphones, apps, websites. So everywhere we are having a large amount of digitalized data, and people are looking forward to how to utilize this data. So what they are actually what is the actual thought to utilize this data? Yes, making our machine trained. So these are the examples, like banking sector contains how much of data, health sector contains how much of data. Okay, retail and e-commerce, technology. So please don't touch the screen. It's disturbing to our class. Okay, when the session is going on, please don't touch the screens. I could see some marks are coming up. Okay, yeah, thank you. Yes. So these are the different applications. We have discussed all discussions we have done. I don't want to make it repeated. I'm just quickly revising it. So yes, we are trying to understand the artificial intelligence. In that specifically, we are focusing in our regular classes is what called machine learning, deep learning, and natural language processing. So to make this happen, you are supposed to learn some specific tools such as Python, which is a programming language. And under the Python, we have some advantages called libraries such as Pandas, Scikit-learn, TensorFlow. These are beautiful libraries which is helping us to reduce your coding skills and making higher level of calculations. I'm telling again, Python contains some specific libraries. Now I'm not talking about what is meant by library. You will come to know later of the sessions. Okay. So those libraries advantages is what? Reduces the code, okay, reduces the code levels and improves the high level calculations results very fastly. Okay, so that is the advantage of using the libraries which is under the Python. So we can get different roles on all these things. Okay, so to be frank, our job is what? Yes, first of all, our job is what? Yes, make our machine learning. So what is mission? What is mission here? Yes, nothing but computer. So what is learning here? So computer is getting trained. What you people are doing here? Students are getting trained. How students are getting trained? Yes, when I'm sharing the sufficient knowledge. Then how computer is getting trained? When I'm sending sufficient data. Okay, so computer gets started training when you are sending the data inside. So as I told, data are many types. Data are many types. Again, see, these discussions will come back again in the regular classes. So generally, data is structured data. And another one is what? Data is unstructured data. So structured data means what? Yes, if I take a banking sector where every customer day-to-day activities will be stored, right or not? In a banking sector, every customer day-to-day activities will be there. Today, how many things that you have purchased with your phone pay, Google Pay from your account? How many people you have taken in loan from the last few months back? Okay, how many people you paid the interest? So that the whatever the banking related things which I'm happening on day to day everything, which contains what? Lot of structured data under the banking sector. Like that, not only the banking, yes, if you go to the hospitals, every patient information will be there. Agree with me? Pharma industry, okay, retail industry, okay. If you take e-commerce, every day how many products are getting purchased by the users, how many things are getting delivered, how many things are coming returned back, how much of worth amount of people are purchasing the product from that specific locations. So under the e-commerce domain that you can see such data or not. So banking, hospitals, pharma, retail, e-commerce, like that, many cases, tours and travels. Right around these are things that comes in what? Where we are getting a plenty of structured data under these sectors. Now, what is unstructured? Unstructured means what? No proper shape. There is structured data means what actually? Rows or the columns. It should what? It should contain what? Properly rows and columns. Okay. What is unstructured data means that no proper shape, such as a text data. If you see any website articles will have a lot of information, articles. People will write down blogs. People will be writing their comments. Right or not? People will write down comments, feedbacks, okay, reviews. Okay, I'm talking about text data, but apart from this, we have so images data is there, video data is there, audio data. So all these are part of data only, which is comes under unstructured. So what is our job? Yes, send this data to the machine such that a computer gets trained here. Computer gets trained here. How the training can be happen? How the training can be happen? How the training can be happen? Okay, so using a Python code, okay, we are saving the data inside the, okay, our computer environment. Imagine computer environment. Inside the computer environment, we are using a Python code, we are saving the data inside the computer environment. How? Saving means what? Just like here I am saving these documents now. Okay, where I save the documents? Somewhere in my some D drive I saved the documents. Not like this. Okay, so we have some environments such as under the Python, where I can use this Python now. For example, I am speaking to you, I am talking to you, but we should have a platform now. Not directly I'm what say I'm not coming to your place. Neither you people are not coming to place, but we are using a platform here. Zoom. Zoom is a platform. Raj Cloud Technologies is a platform which is between you and me. Similarly, between me and my computer, me and my computer, okay, so we have a platform such as Jupyter. We have such a platform called Jupyter, Spider, Google Colab. So what are these platforms? Yes, giving up a space where I can write down the Python, where I can write down the Python code under the environment of Jupyter or Spider or Google Colab. Now what we are going to write as a code here? Okay, let's discuss now. Okay, Using Python code, we are doing it. Using Python code, we are sending the data inside. Right or not? We are sending the data and saving inside the Jupyter. But what's next? What's next? Let us take an example in detail to make you connect. So look at this example. So this data, it's about some company's information. It's a real-time data where a company owner, he is investing the money, okay, to market their product through three different medias. He is making advertisement by paying, okay, by paying $230 to show their ad in their TV. Similarly, they are making their ads through radio with $37.8. And this is also another investment where they are making $69.2 in the newspaper. But nowadays, very less often people are using radio newspapers. Nowadays, things are changing. Most of the people are spending their time on smartphones. So digital marketing is highly used nowadays, right or not? So imagine like that, it's a digital marketing instead of radio or newspaper. Think like that, digital marketing or social media, whatever. And however, and this column is what? Sales. So what does that mean? If I am spending $230.1 on day one, $37.8 on radio, $69.2 on newspaper, how much of sales I am getting in return? How much of worth of sales? So this worth of sales is in thousands. So 22,000 sales it is. Okay, 10,000.4 sales it is. 9,000.3 sales. That's what. So it is in thousands. It is in normal units. All of you understood? Now the question is, what my client is asking for me is there any relationship? Is there any relationship is there to understand, okay, how much of investment if I do under the TV or under the radio or under the newspaper, so that I can understand it, how much of sales can be expected. So that means what? If I am putting so much of investment on these three categories, how much of sales can be happen? I want to estimate the result. All of you understanding what is the problem here? What's the problem here? What is client is expecting to do? Yes, he want to know. Okay, client want to know. Okay, if I invest some, let's say some $100 on TV, okay, $50 on radio, and some $25 on newspaper. Okay, how much of sales can we expect? So can you able to estimate? So this is the question. Did everyone understood the problem here? What client is asking to do? No, you are a person who are machine learning engineer or ML engineer. Now you know Python very well. You know Python machine learning concepts very well. So using up that, now we are trying to identify that, is there any relationship? Is there, first of all, what you are supposed to do? Is there any relationship in between TV and sales? This is the first question that you want to check. Next one, yes, radio and sales. This is the second question. And then newspaper and sales. This is the third question. So this is where your people trying to identify, is there any connection is there? If I see a connection is there, hence I can estimate the results. Hence I can estimate the result. So in the machine learning concepts, machine learning is a good subject. Okay. Under the machine learning, there are several concepts out there. So in your childhood days, you might be heard a concept called y equal to mx plus c. How many people have remembered this one? Y equal to mx plus c. Definitely in your 7th class or 8th class or 9th class, you could have heard this word now. So machine learning journey is being started from this concept only. Machine learning journey is being started from this concept. So in my case, I will choose, okay, y as sales and x as, let's say, TV. Okay. Now I'll come to know, I'll tell you what is M and what is C first later. So I'm choosing these two things. So what the purpose? Yes, I'm going to make a plot. I'm going to make a plot in between the TV versus sales. What kind of plot? So where okay, TV will be on x-axis. This is x-axis, right? This is 0. This is y. And sales will be on y-axis. So that means what? These two variables, if I put down on x-axis and y-axis, where those two values will coordinate each other. Coordinate means what? Here you will have values from 0 to some 100. Here also we are going to have some values 0 to 100. So the combination of these numbers plotted in which place I have to verify. Combination of these numbers. That means what? So if I take our data, yes, let's say 230, 22.5, 44.5, 10.4, 17.2, 9.3. So I am talking about these combinations. I'm talking about these combinations. How do they plot it? So we will call them as a scatter plot. So I will do up this exercise using just in the Excel only we can do it. Okay, just for to understand how does that looks like. Yeah, this is what happens. This is what happens when you prepare a statistical graph. We call it as a statistical graph. Usually we call it as a scatter plot. It is. Maybe if you are not understood what is this graph and all, we'll talk again in detail. We have some fundamentals of statistics. During the time we'll talk. So what is on x-axis? Tell me. TV investment. How much of TV investment that you do? How much of sales is happening? So do you see there is an increasing trend or not? What does it mean? The more if you put down investment on the TV, the more sales that you are going to have. Now, when I come to talking about y equal to mx plus c, so I am asking my machine to understand the relationship between xy variables, xy columns, and recognize that in which direction these data points are plotted like this. So this direction is the green color line I made it now. This green color line. Now, if I'm asking in which direction, what is its value, mathematical value of increase in direction? So that value, what do you call here? M. M is the mathematical value. In which direction the points are plotted on the screen. Similarly, then what is the C? C is the value where the journey has been started. That means what? This place, constant. So minimum sales with some minimum investment. Minimum sales with minimum investment. So what is the sales is happen with a minimum investment? That value is what our C constant. So with the help of M value and multiplying with our TV investment value, by adding with the minimum sales, how much of sales we are going to have, that estimation that we are trying to do it. Who is going to do this? Our computer. So machine is getting trained. Okay, machine is getting trained and collecting the information based on the collecting the information of sales and TV. Through that, it is generating a machine learning model. So I am writing as is called mx plus c is a generalized mathematics, but in the machine learning there is something called linear regression. Did anyone hear about this word called a linear regression anytime before joining this demo? Did you inquire, you people, what is machine learning, what is supposed to learn over there, what are the job openings, market? So this kind of words that you have here now, you could have heard a word called data science also. So these entire things are connected to each other. So linear regression is a concept that we are supposed to learn under the machine learning. Okay, so this y is equal to mx plus c, what we write here, a new word with the name of beta naught plus beta 1 x1 plus beta 2 x2 and so on. So multiple x variables I am going to give to estimate, okay, sales of the company. For example, if I want to estimate your weight, what is really important to know for me? What kind of information is really important to me? Tell me. If I want to estimate weight of a person, I need to know what is your age. Right or not? I need to know what is your height. I also need to know what is your gender. These are the most important inputs, are important or not. Similarly, to estimate the sales of the company in this data, I want to know how much of investment to be given under the TV, how much of radio is really making influence on the sales, how much of newspaper is influencing on the sales. So which one is highly contributor, which one is less contributor, we can come to know. I'm telling again, which one is highly contributing in calculating the sales and which one is less contributing in estimating the sales. I will make such a machine learning model. We call it as what? Machine learning model, because here I mentioned as y is equal to mx plus c, but what exactly what do you call here? Machine learning model. And people also called with other word an algorithm. So that algorithm development that we are going to do. So under the machine learning, I am talking about only one y is equal to mx plus c concept, but every machine learning model, okay, has a different unique method of making our machine train. I'm telling again, y is equal to mx plus is one of the mathematical concept. Like that, under the machine learning, every mathematical concept contains a unique way of making our machine train. So once you have developed this machine learning model, now that model I am going to hand over to the end client. Imagine a company like a car automobile company reaching to you. He was ready to give a budget on it, asking for develop a new vehicle where the car should give the mileage of 30 plus 30. Generally, you know, any car never give a mileage of more than 20. Between always floats in between 15 to 20 is the general number. But company is ready to invest to develop a model. So now the question is, what parameters are depends on mileage? We have to identify. That is what. So I have to increase the horsepower. Better not? If I'm trying to estimate the mileage per gallon, mileage means what? Okay. So what parameters are important here? Horsepower, how to increase it. Accelerator, how to increase it. Okay. Weight also should not take too much weight. How to reduce the weight of the vehicle, I mean. So these are the most important things in increasing the capacity of the mileage or not. But what we are doing here, yes, I'm identifying the relationship between these variables. Through that, we are developing a ML model. So for developing such models, what data that you use it? Yes, I'm developing structured data simply. But my client is asking a little bit more complicated thing for the next case. So my client is asking that, can you design a model where my machine should able to, okay, where my machine should able to recognize the roadmap. Roadmap it has to understand. That is just like our Google Map. Google Map will do what? It will identify the roadmap or not. That is what Google Map should know in which area, okay, what are the major stops are there, okay, what's the locations are there, famous places are there, either is a restaurant or is a hotel or a mall. These entire things should know by machine. To make such a machine learning model, so our regular machine learning model is not really enough. So what shall I do here? Yes, I'll take the help of so the advanced models such as what? Deep learning models. Because my program is going to be a little bit complicated than earlier case. Not as simply. I have to go with a little bit more advanced things I have to make it. So normal mathematics not required. I have to go with advanced mathematics. But remember that advanced mathematics also will handle by Python libraries. So we should not be worried about the mathematics. And finally, another client is coming up and asking me, can we develop a chatbot? Another company coming and asking me, can we develop a chatbot for my own company? So what is chatbot? An assistant, right? An assistant to that particular website who is giving you responses in helping you the queries what that you have to resolve it. So such chatbots you could have seen in many places. If you see in your Airtel app, in the Airtel app also you could have seen chatbot. Whenever your Wi-Fi is disconnected, na, so what you are supposed to do? Go to the chatbot, Airtel chatbot, and write down your queries over there. Nowadays you could have seen Perplexity. I hope I'm pronouncing correct. Perplexity, na? Perplexity.ai. So how this kind of bots are can be developed? Yes, with the help of yes, natural language processing. So when the data receives in various formats. So here, in what case I'll choose deep learning model method? Yes, I am sending the images of every location to understand by our computer. Images of every location. Here, not images, it's a text data of lot of people's conversations as input. Here, normal structured data, first one, like our example, like sales, TV, radio, newspaper, there's examples, okay? Normal structured data. So there are majorly we have three methods of making our machine trained, three methods of making our computer trained. So using machine learning models, general models, or deep learning models, or natural language processing models. So depends upon our choice to choice, we will choose one of the model in developing the requirements. So our course contains entirely on these three major topics only. Our course contains okay, majorly, yes, these three topics only. What is machine learning, deep learning, natural language? So in depth discussion that we are going to do it. We are going to spend for every topic here 2 to 3 weeks of time completely with the subject knowledge. And for every module, this is imagine like three different modules, okay? For every module, whenever we are covering up, we are going to work on project. I hope you people have noticed it or not, I'm not sure. You can see in the Raj Cloud's website also, the same thing is mentioned. So this entire study will take us 64 hours of time. So classroom members normally 48 theoretical discussions and lab sessions including, and 10 hours for project discussions, 4 hours for doubt sessions, resume preparation 1 hour. Once you train completely successfully, so I'm going to connect it, what's a mock interview from my end. So that you will get a real-time feeling of, yeah, what kind of questions will be asked in the interview. So that are you really prepared successfully? Are you prepared really correctly or not? I will give a feedback on it. So based on that, yes, if you are not really prepared well, yes, once again you can prepare. Anyway, we have the recording sessions. You can talk to the Raj Clouds and you can get those recordings and you can watch those recording and prepare well. If you are not able to satisfy me, if you are satisfied, then really I'm really happy. That is what I needed. My students should be, every student should be completely utilize this platform. That is what I need, to be frank. Okay. Yes, if you see, yes, we are starting our journey with the statistics and Python. And week 2, week 3, if you observe that, only machine learning, how much of time that you are spending. And week 4 and week 5, yes, fundamentals of natural language and deep learning. Again, week 6 and 7, yes, NLP and deep learning, once again, advanced topics. Deep dive into NLP and deep learning. Deep dive, underline the word, deep dive. So from the week 3 only till week 8, every week we are going to have a work on project. If you see here, I mentioned the same thing here. For every weekend, one weekend is getting completed and we are going to work on the projects. So that a proper plan of execution can be done. So you can use these projects even in your resume also. Even you can use this project in your resume also. And at the end, yes, so it is advanced AI, I mentioned as advanced AI, which is nothing but what? Generative AI. So here we are going to discuss about what is large language models, fundamentals. On one small case study also we'll work on the large language models. And that's how you'll get a full-fledged knowledge on the in-depth knowledge on these three major contents that we are going to give up a strong foundation on it. And I want you people, yes, strictly you are supposed to join the sessions and make yourself successful training here. I'm sure within next few months or 6 to 8 months max to max, definitely you will be getting settled down in one of the major company in the pan India level. I don't say you will be get job in the same location, but yes, you can get the job in anywhere in the pan India level based on your yes other necessities. All are clear? Yes. So hope so you people have received this content or not, but you can get in this content even from the Raj Cloud also. Okay. Yeah. Any questions from anyone? Any questions from anyone? Do you have any questions to solve it? Karthik will finalize the date of our regular sessions when it is gets started in the WhatsApp group. So that's why he's asking to give you your WhatsApp group numbers so that yes, you can know when is the exact date of sessions gets started. Probably maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow, I think. But we can talk to the concerned person regarding it. Okay. Yes, Swaraj, you're asking something.
Hi, good evening. Just
Good evening.
wanted to know for this we need Python also.
Of course,
Yes,
fundamentals
actually,
of
initially I
Python
missed
only.
the session. That's why I'm asking.
Yes, yes. See, Python will be there every day with us later after. Okay. I am talking about the fundamentals in the first week, second week. After that, in every week, you are going to have the Python. These are like concepts. Machine learning, deep learning, NLP means concepts. But where do we apply this concept? Under the Python. So without Python, there will be no day for us. Okay, without Python there will be no day. Here I'm starting with the Python fundamentals from the second week. No, in the first week only. Parallelly we'll start doing, so that's why we have taken 1.5 hour of journey. Why? Because 1 hour theory, half an hour of practical. Sometimes 45 minutes theory, 45 minutes of practical. Depends upon your question and answers. See, even 1.5 hour is a estimated time. It is not to be fixed. Okay, if your questions are really worthful, yes, we'll spend another 15-20 minutes more also. Earlier we have done like that. Earlier my previous batch students have taken my time up to 2 hours also. Yes, that's fine. That's why I've taken 8 to 9:30. If your questions are exceeded till, yeah, we can take up to 10 p.m. based on your patience levels, how much you are ready to learn and acquire the knowledge. Okay.
Okay.
Yes. Any other one? Anyone has any questions? Yes, please. Feel free. Feel free. It is not like that. Yes, I'm speaking and you are learning. No. The more when you open up with me, okay, the more when you open up with me and talk to me just like your friend, the more knowledge you are going to have. Trust me. The more when you open up with me and talk to me, okay, just like your siblings, just like your, uh, okay, anyone else, or your, I would say, in your office mates, the
Yeah,
best knowledge
one
that you
more.
are going to have. Okay, yes, please.
Sorry to. Yeah, again, I want to know something. I mean,
Hmm.
here you mentioned some topics, right? Machine learning, deep learning, and all. For
Correct.
along with that, you are going to teach any tools like SageMaker, Bedrock, something cloud related, cloud respective, or any other
No,
tools you are going to
no,
teach.
no, Swaraj. It is only for with Python only. Okay,
Okay.
only Python, because those are other tools and those timelines and learnings is not can be done within 1 or 2 hours, na. So we have to put down more time in another 2-3 weeks we have to spend on it. And yes, it is a separate course will be there. If you are interested even under the content also, yes, you can take a call to the Karthik. He will explain about the other things also. Okay.
Then is it fine to get the job with this content?
Yes. I suggest, if you are really interested to, apart from this, I suggest personally, if you learn Azure also is the best choice.
Because I'm into AWS, DevOps, and
Yes,
middleware.
yes.
So that's why I'm asking
I understood.
whatever you mentioned in the, I mean, in this,
Hmm.
just wanted to cross check whether is it fine or not.
Yes, yeah, that's fine. Yeah, either if you are already in the AWS, then it is really good. So what you can do now, you can integrate our Python code with our AWS platform or Azure platform, where you can see how how a pipeline can be applied in your own environment, and how you can deploy your model also over there. We can discuss. Okay.
Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
it is possible. Actually, it is possible when you have a, like an AWS or Azure, if you have the knowledge on it. But in our content is not there, because it's a separate thing. So it is not currently, it is not in our content. Okay. Yes.
Okay. Thank you.
Yes. Thanks for your query. It was really good question. Next, any other people? Is it all clear? May I know how many people are there here, fresher? Is there any freshers here who joined, who completed their education recently in 2025 March, August, September, anything like, not September, August. So all are working somewhere now. All right, I think that's all from my end. Karthik?
Yes, sir, I'm available.
Yes, you can just explain the rest of the things. I'm hand over to you. Okay. Yes.
Yeah, hi everyone, this is Karthik again. As I said you, there is some special offer available for today. Whoever want to enroll for this program today, you can just like visit our website once. This is our homepage. This is our page. Okay, you can see here, there is a flat 15% discount is available today. Okay, so the code is August 15th. Okay, from August 15th, we are offering this discount to you. Okay, and we are closing this discount by today. So today is a festival last day, right? So like we are just like closing the offer today. So whoever want to enroll for this program, for not only this program, for all the courses, we are just like closing the discount today itself. So plan accordingly and you can just complete your registration as well. One second. Okay. Yeah, so let me explain you about the complete information about this program. So this program name is AI and ML, Artificial Intelligence with Machine Learning using Python. Okay, this is our course name and our course duration is 2 months, weekly 4 days, Monday, Tuesday, Thursday and Friday. Weekly 4 days, Wednesday and Saturday and Sunday you will be having holidays. Okay, so wantedly like we have given a break for you here in between the week, so where you can take a break and you can practice every 2 classes. For every 2 classes, you will be getting a time to practice. So that is the reason why. So the practice is more important for this program. That is the reason why like we have given this gap to you. So you can plan accordingly and you can go for the registration and ample of projects will be provided to you here. No need to worry about that. We are going to provide you the complete end-to-end real-time training, real-time project, interview questions, resume preparation, everything we are going to provide you. No need to worry about that. Okay. Each and every session is recorded. We are going to share the each and every session recording with you also. So even if you miss the class also, you can get the recording and you can complete it. Not a problem. So no need to worry about the recordings also. Okay. And the fee is 19,999 here. The course fee is 19,999. After 15% discount, your course price is just 16,999 if you enroll today. If you enroll today. So even if you want to go for the partial payment also, yes, the partial payment is also allowed here. We are going to provide you the complete all the all the transaction modes as well. That is UPI, bank transfer, net banking, credit card, debit card. Okay, so even the international transfers like Remitly, PayPal, everything is accepted. So no need to worry about the payment mode as well. So today you can just make the payment of 5,000 rupees and you can enroll for this program. Remaining amount you can pay on or before like a second of September. Okay, so you can pay the remaining fee on or before 2nd of September. Today is our first session and the demo session like we have already completed and I have shared the demo session link as well. Okay, from tomorrow the classes will be in the evening at 8 p.m. IST. Okay, the classes will be at 8 p.m. IST from tomorrow. The first 2 weeks we will be having alternative days. We have 4 working days, right? So we'll be taking the 3 classes here, like Monday, Thursday, and Friday, like that. We'll be taking the 3 classes in the first 2 weeks. After that, like we'll be going for regular classes, like weekly 4 days in a week. Okay, yeah. So any doubts from anyone, please? Does anyone have any doubts? related to the course or the details like which we shared right now, you can unmute yourself and you can ask me, or else you can message me also. Both options are available for you. So I hope like we have cleared with the complete information for everyone. So I'll just like show you now how the classes will be, where you can access the recordings and everything. You can see here sign up with Google at the right top corner. You can see here, okay, so you don't have any student option available here. Okay, now I'll show you. Click on sign up with Google. Always use sign in with Google. Don't use this username or password. Okay, don't use this email ID or password, because this is only for the admins actually like us who is working in Raj Cloud Technologies. Okay, click on sign in with Google. Once you click on sign in with Google, it will show you the all the options, like all the Gmail IDs we have logged in already. If you haven't logged in, you can use your Gmail ID and Gmail ID password to log in. And this is my account actually. I'm just clicking on this account. Okay, now you can see the students option here. In the top of the screen, you can see the students option now. Okay, so once you logged in, then only you can see the student option here. Just scroll down. As I am the admin, I have the complete courses access here. Okay, if you want to see the last batch of AI and ML program, sorry, it got logged out. You can see here, this is our first batch program, Artificial Intelligence with Machine Learning. Click on the program. Click on the program. You can see here, I have just like completed the course. So it was showing me to retake. You can see this is how we will be providing you the sessions. You can see session 1, introduction, statistics part 1, part 2, Python basics, loops, numpys. In the same way, you'll get all the recordings as well, so that you can just click on the recording. You can just click on the recording. You can see the video right side. Right side, you can see the video. If you just scroll down, you can see the material also here. Click on the material section, download here. Whatever the documents available for that particular session, you can get download also. You can just download these files as well. Okay. Yeah. So this is how we are providing the recordings as well, recordings and materials also. So you can get the complete session recordings from session 1 to last session. All the recordings will be available for you, and you can access these recordings for lifetime. Okay, lifetime you can access the recordings. So hope everyone have like cleared with the complete information about how this training will be and how the things will be going on here. Everything I have explained you very clearly. If you still have any doubts, you can contact us. You can contact us here at 810-529-6858. This is our calling and WhatsApp number. So you can just contact us on this number so that we can help you for the further registration process or any other details you require also. Got it? Yeah. Thank you so much for that. Any questions? Please text me. Cyber security, the batch is already going on right now. So I cannot see your name also. Can you please drop your name and WhatsApp number here so that I can connect with you personally and we can help you for the further information on this? And new batch, I think it is starting from September 1st. Okay. You just like contact me here on this 810-529-6858. I can help you with the further information as well. Okay, Praveen, done. You'll get the information. No need to worry about that. So hope like I have cleared you everyone's doubts and everything, right? So before closing the session, I just like want to say you again, This is our YouTube channel, Raj Informatica Real-Time Hands-on Job-Based Training. Okay, please subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you will get all our updates. Like whenever we post any update regarding any course, you can get these updates as well. Okay, yes. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for joining the session today. Have a great day. Once again, I wish you everyone a happy Vinayaka Chaturthi. Thank you so much.